How to turn on or turn off call on other devices on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, and this will open up the quick settings panel. Now tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and then tap on connected devices. And in here, tap on call and text on other devices. Next, we then scroll down and tap on call on other devices. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Now tap on the left hand side panel. You'll be able to see a list of compatible devices. If there are no compatible devices, it will show a blank spot right here. And here say supported devices that are signed into your Samsung account will be shown here. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.